Basel, one of the biggest art events of the year. We are in the middle of Wynwood, which is where all the action's going down. The streets are closed, packed with people, and there's art everywhere. I'm going to take you to a few places that I love and show you a little behind the scenes. The city of Miami literally turns into art during this week, and I heard about an art palette pizza located at our house. I'm pretty sure it's a pizza that looks like a painting palette, and we're gonna go meet with the chef. He's gonna show us how it's made, and we're gonna see if it actually tastes as good as it looks. Okay, chef, what are we making today?
Well, what I did this for Art Basel.
Okay.
And you know you have a paint palette you paint out of?
Sure.
Yeah, with all the different colors. I decided to make a pizza in the shape of a paint palette and add all my own colors made out of fresh vegetables and
Oh my gosh.
yeah, and herbs
so
and stuff.
it's like artisan pizza. Like
My interpretation of art.
I'm excited to see the process.
Here we go.
What are some of your favorite things about Art Basel?
The energy from everybody painting on the walls and
Yeah.
sharing their art and getting this opportunity. It was just amazing. It really fills you up.
It looks like you've got 7 or so sauces here.
Yeah, so they're all made out of fresh fruit, herbs, and things like that.
So tell me a little bit about this crust.
So I make a pizza dough, and you know, you see in the movies all these guys throwing their pizza in the air, but I like to make it a really thin dough, and so I'm just gonna roll it out. Looks a little like a Pac-Man. So I'm gonna start with the sauces first. Normally I put the cheese down first, but first I'm gonna do the sauces. Now we're gonna get the cheeses on there, and that's
Okay.
where the white's gonna come in. There we go, I think that's good. We don't want it to overtake.
Okay.
All right, this one's ready to go in the oven.
Okay, so we just finished the Art Palette pizza and it was delicious. I'm now gonna take you guys over to Art Plug, which is one of the coolest experiences here at Art Basel. So let's go and see it behind the scenes. We just got to Art Plug and it is a full immersive experience. So hopefully we get to talk to some artists and check out some monster trucks. So Thomas, tell me a little bit about the Humanity Project.
It's basically a portrait of humanity. So I travel all over the world and I'm doing a picture and I put it on people's face.
So you go all over the world and you take photos of people with this
Yeah.
card. How many people have you shot?
7,184 maybe now.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. When you
Yeah.
photograph each person with the card, you
Yeah.
ask them a question.
Yeah, I asked them, what's their dream now? It's interesting the answers I have. The more common is to travel the world.
Art Basel is the eclectic group of people that it brings. It brings people from all over the world, artists from all over the world. The outfits are amazing. Everyone has a look going on. Art Plug is winding down, but Miami's just getting started. I'm gonna hit the town and see what else is going on. So thanks so much for bringing me, and I hope to see you guys soon.